Connie that was far away, like
Swinton.
Oh shit. What the kid's Connie that was far away, like Swinton. Oh shit.
Did he just drive right into the back of the bus?
Yeah.
Sort of, he's just driving to the back of the bus.
Driver.
Careful in case they're getting out of the car.
Yeah. Look.
Careful. Getting out of the car.
Yeah. Look.
Careful. Oh, so young girl, she sort of just froze. She weren't like the most confident either.
VG Trojan 12, vehicle failing to stop down in the Tilbury area. Trojan 12.
Give me a decam for me, mate.
Trojan 12, we're potentially going to have a decam. We're Adelaide Road down in Tilbury. Kilo Uniform 18, Victor Romeo Victor. Failing to stop, believed to be a clone vehicle.
Yeah, just confirm road name again.
So right, Church Road, Tilbury, Church Road. Advanced IPP, suitable marked ARV. Speed 3, 5 and a 30 and increasing. Road conditions are damp. No traffic at this time, no pedestrian traffic.
Yeah, Sting.
Trojan 13, we're heading with Stinger. We've got electricity out. Good to see. Trojan 12, update.
Trojan 12, can I have permissions through me, please? It's advanced warning of roundabout, stand by. It appears to be going round the roundabout. It's about to try to go wrong way. It's just attempted to go wrong way up the at the Asda roundabout at Tilbury. It was temporarily high risk. It cancelled on that because of the fact that there was a lorry in the lane. Might have to cowabunga. Stand by. There's contact made. 2 white males. Vehicle contacted.
Stay there, stay there. Keep grounds like concern. By the minute, under arrest, failed to stop, right? Yeah. What was that about?